Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and what I'm learning related to this, I upload video on YouTube. So guys, I just when I just woke up, and I was just lying on the bed, and a thought came in my mind, my childhood story, you can say, a thought. Then that came in my mind, and that story was interesting. Then I thought I should make video on this story, and because I think yeah, this incident happened many people who was their childhood. So that's why I thought I should make video on this topic. So guys, when I was in school, I think I was it can be I was second or third class. Then in English subject there was a story, and but I didn't have remember that story name, but I remember that in that story there was a word, love. Then my teacher, he was written that story word meaning. Then we were writing. Then there was a when sir was writing from us love. Then we were getting so uncomfortable, and we were thinking, means my group, my friends who was girl, we are talking to each other that when what we will do when sir ask meaning of this. Then we were so uncomfortable when sir was saying that love, love means pyar karna. Then we were looking each other, and we were so uncomfortable, and we were thinking how we will learn it, and how we will answer when sir ask. Then guys, that time nobody has you cannot say nobody, some people had mobile phone, and we are not aware for these type of English words. Then we were so uncomfortable to say this word only. So that I was thinking that, but now childs, they know everything. They nobody is uncomfortable for any word. So but guys, that time no nobody has you can say some people had mobile phone or TV, but that time people didn't have smartphone. Then we are not aware for English language or something. Just we were listen this word in only movies or serials, and we were thinking that when people means say love meaning, that there is only one meaning, one girl and one boy, they are loving each other. So our this thinking was in our mind, only a boy and girl story. Then they can love to each other, and this sentence and this word made for only lovers. We were thinking like this, so that's why we were so uncomfortable from this word means love. And we were thinking that time you can say I love you only for your lovers, only for if there is a girl, and she can say her means lovers and boy, they can say each other only. This is you cannot say to your mother, your father and your brother. We were thinking that this is a any shameful word, and we should be uncomfortable from this word. That time we were thinking like this. So that thing, when I think what was that day, we were how full we were that time. We don't know even meaning of love. We were thinking that how shameful word and how you can say awkward word we were thinking that time. So when I compare from that time and this time, then I shocked how different. And when we were that time, we know after 10 or 12 year, but now child, they are only 4 5 years, they know like us. When what we know after 10 year, that time they know only everything only in 5 years. So there is so differences. There is you can say huge difference from that child and nowadays child. So guys, that's all for today. Just I was thinking, then I saw and I was smiling to think that incident. So that's why I thought I should make video on this topic. And if you can say people any like if this incident happened with you all guys, then comment me. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.